Good morning from Söderbysjön. It's 7 a.m. and it's time for a morning beach adventure from the Swedish nature. And it is my very first time on this particular beach spot. I have never taken a swim here despite being all around Söderbysjön for quite a long time, and it looks spectacular indeed. And around this lake you can find many spontaneous nudist beach spots like this one, with some rocks along the way, as you can see. There is not so much wind, and currently it is 19 degrees Celsius in the air, but later today it will be up to 25 degrees. And it's the last day of June, 30th of June. So I'm starting off the day with a swim in the lake Söderbysjön here in Nacka, belonging to Nacka, but very close to the metro stations that belong to Stockholm city. Beautiful nature all around, and from my home it's just 7.5 kilometers to get here indeed. So let's then get right into it and spend more time in the water and less time chit-chatting. But I want to measure the temperature in the water, but here it is not so deep, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be representative, but I'm gonna give it a try while I show you more of this beautiful nature. It should be over 23 degrees for sure, as it is a fairly small lake and it's already warmed up accordingly. Yeah, 24 actually, same as Flatten yesterday, what I have measured. That's mostly on the top level of the water also, bear in mind. Okay, now I haven't been getting into the water from this end, so let's see how challenging it will be, because it's also a bit of algae and stuff. So I'm gonna... oh, it's slippery indeed. Okay. Here we have some sand area and lots of lotus flowers, or how are they called, not sure. So Söderbysjön on that end connects to Damtorpsjön, and yeah, so sunny morning in Stockholm, and Chris is ready to just swim in this nude beach spot in the beautiful nature of Stockholm, Sweden. So ready, set, and go! This is spectacular. I love it. I will be definitely returning to this spot, and the fact that it took me 11.5 years to find this spot is amazing indeed. Fabulous. So it will be a nice morning swim and enjoying the sun to the max indeed. Beautiful indeed. So today there is a Gröna Lunds concert in the evening, 8 p.m. It's Charlie Puth, and I'm really looking forward to, as I have been listening to his songs a lot back in the days. So it's gonna be amazing. Maybe I would also take a swim closer to Gröna Lund like I did last week for the Shady concert. And yeah, so let's then say goodbye to June in the best possible way, with nice and joyful swim in the Swedish nature indeed. and the sound of the nature is so peaceful and so quiet. Birds singing and insects also bothering. So yes, that is then a wrap from Söderbysjön, and thank you so much for watching my beach adventures. And I didn't mention that it's beach to number 77, I think. I'm not really sure at this point, but we continue at the same pace every day all summer long. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.